My name is Dilip Sawant. I'm head of Nikopass Engineering Private Limited. We are manufacturer of thread cutting dies and hexagonal die nuts. We are exporting our goods to many countries. Our 50% product is being exported.
Basically, as sir said, that our company has been in this field of thread cutting tools since last 45 years now. And initially we started with, our product thread cutting dies, and recently we have entered into the market of thread cutting taps. And the IMTEX is great platform to explore the current technology happenings which are going on. And with the advent of AI and the integration of AI with the machines which is happening, that is what we are doing currently. We are exploring the technology, the AI, and slowly when the time comes, we will implement these technological advances into our manufacturing.
We are happy that in the IMTEX we have got a lot of customer feedback. Means from all over India, people come out here, and in fact, we were not knowing that our brand NKP is so much appreciated all over India. People say that when some problems are there, if nobody can solve it, Nikopass can solve it. That is a
Great achievement
as far as our
for the company. Yes.
company.
And this is the first time we have participated, and it has been a superb response, and we will continue to participate in IMTEX. Thank you.
Thank you.